Hey team, this is Mrs. Hunter and I have your problem solving summary for you. So you can actually solve for any of these variables if you're given one. It's just about knowing how they kind of interconnect. So for instance, if I know pH, I can always figure out pOH or vice versa, because I know that pH plus pOH always equal 14, right? So if I have a pH of 2, I know I have a pOH of 12. Or if I have a pOH of 5, right, I have a pH of 9. All right. Now, if you have pH, you can also solve for the concentration of hydrogen. Remember, this is the one where it's like you're going backwards. So you take 10 raised to whatever the pH value is, but make it negative. Now, the one that's more straightforward is when you have concentration of hydrogen, how you get pH, we take the negative log of that concentration of hydrogen. Okay? And we see a similar relationship between pOH and concentration of hydrogen, right? So if you have pOH, getting the concentration of hydrogen is kind of like that backwards one. We take 10 to the negative pOH. And now if you have concentration of hydroxide, it should be very easy to get the pOH. You take the negative log of your concentration of hydroxide. And then the last piece of this puzzle we actually looked at in the autoionization of water lecture, or the KW of water. To go between these two, we can use the same formula that 1 times 10 to the negative 14th is equal to the concentration of hydrogen times the concentration of hydroxide. So feel free to keep this by you when you're solving problems.